have sewn and you see that the upper part of your fabric is sewing this way tight, it means it's your bobbin. So when there's an issue with the upper part of your sewing, it means it's the down part of the machine that has an issue. If it's the lower part that has an issue, it means it's the upper part of your threading. But in this case, you can see that the lower part is sewing well, but the upper part is too tight. That's why the fabric is squeezing. So you bring out your bobbin that's inside the bobbin case, and you are going to do the bobbin test. To do the bobbin test, you will hold it with the thread like so, and then you begin to move your hand. The bobbin should move down. It should be going down slowly. If it is not, like now you see that it's stuck, don't move it too fast that the bobbin will fall out. Just like this. So if it's not moving, it's too tight, it means you are going to get your screwdriver, the small one with the very flat top, and you are going to loosen this screw. I am moving it so close for you to be able to see it. You see this screw that's on the bobbin? This is your bobbin case. Normally people call it shuttle here, but it's not called shuttle. So this screw, then you would loosen it a bit. See, you loosen it a bit. When you loosen it and you pull, you see that now it's moving. See, the thread is getting longer. Now it's moving freely. You see, it's coming down. You have to have great dexterity so that your bobbin does not fall out. So once you've done that, you are good to go with your sewing. So you fix it back.